Falls from bed are common, but the wrong rail placement can actually make them worse. This is a bed rail. It's a great, useful tool if it's used well and set up safely. So I'm going to show you some key features you need to look for in a bed rail, and then how it gets used, and then how to position it on the bed. So first of all, this is the part that you hold on to, and there are new standards that have come out that mean that there should be no spaces anywhere here that are big enough for somebody's head to get through, because there is the risk of strangulation, and that has happened in the past. So the old bed rails that have all of this open are technically allowed to continue to be sold, but they do not meet the new standards. And so since you're buying a new one right now, you should make sure you get one that meets those standards so that we're not at risk for strangulation through here. Okay, so now we got that legalese out the way. The way you use this is this whole thing is gonna slide in between the mattress and the box spring. If you don't have a box spring, that's okay. If you have a platform bed, it can go between the mattress and the platform. As long as there's a place to slip it under there, then this works. And you also want to make sure it stays secure. In order to do that, your weight of your mattress can really keep it down, especially if you have a king size bed. But also it comes with this strap that goes all the way over to the other side of the bed, and you can wrap it around the frame or around the leg of the bed and then clip it back together with this. That way, this is able to stay nice and tight. So where you put this actually matters a lot. So now I'm gonna show you where you should place it on the bed. Okay, so where you put the bed rail actually matters a lot. The best place is right up here in the same space that the pillow takes up. That way you have a place to hold on to as you lower yourself down into the bed, and can have plenty of room here for your legs to come out and in, so we're not lifting up over a rail. And that way I can hold on here and sit back up. Looking for bed safety solutions that work? Visit askSAMIE.com or check the description below for tools and tips approved by occupational therapists.